Here we are for sale our December 2023 on a 73 plate. This is our Ford Transit Custom. This is a 280 model, which means it's got a 2.8 tonne gross vehicle weight. It's got the 2 litre EcoBlue Euro 6 diesel engine producing 136 PS, which is roughly 136 brake horsepower. This is a short wheelbase or L1 limited van finished in the fantastic metallic magnetic grey. What we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a Ford Transit Custom Limited of this age. We'll talk you through what enhancements we've made to this vehicle during our preparation and also what we've done to it mechanically. We'll have a really close look at its condition, seeing as the vehicle is currently available for sale with us here at Bridgend Van Centre. So starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one is spec'd with rear barn doors. So barn doors are 2 doors which open in that sort of fashion. On a limited you get a number of elements which come colour coded in the body colour. So that includes things like the door mirrors, the bumpers, the mirrors, all in this lovely metallic grey. Now we have fully enhanced this van with a full styling kit. So to start with, at the top here we've got this lovely gloss black rear spoiler. Down below that then you can see they've got the nice carbon rear bumper protector and also then this gloss black lower rear diffuser, which is all part of a gloss black low line kit. So you've got these skirts and also the splitter on the front. We'll come on to the alloys in just a second. Looking at the back, you've also got, as standard on the Limited, you do get a reversing camera, which you can see is nicely there above the rear number plate. And in terms of condition here at the back of the van, you can see it is in absolutely stunning condition. The guys, of course, here have completely detailed this van like they do every van that we sell. And yeah, this has come up very, very nice. It's looking in fantastic order. Inside the back of the van then, we can see that this one also has brand new ply lining. So that's something else that we do during our preparation, getting these vans ready for sale. So absolutely fantastic ply lining kit that has been put in here. You can see it's all nicely siliconed in around the edges there. The floor is this very nice hard wearing plastic floor, which is slightly lipped up at the sides as well, you can see there, which makes it nice and easy to keep clean and sweep it out in the back. You've also got some nice tie down points that are dotted around, and this is the correct placement there of the toolkit. In the back of the van you get LED load lights, but there's also this extra little button on the side here to control 2 extra LED lights there at the back. You also get full rear door coverage on the ply lining, but yeah, fantastic order in the back of there. You can see all these exposed painted areas looking absolutely lovely there in the back of the van. Moving then around to the passenger side of the vehicle, and this is where I like to look in these reflections down the side of the van, looking for any dents, ripples, signs of previous repair, anything like that. And as you can probably see, that is looking absolutely spot on. That's exactly as I would want to see it, looking absolutely lovely there. Tiny bit of dust just there, but yeah, looking very, very nice. No issues there whatsoever. A really nice set of Riviera alloy wheels have been fitted to this van. This is again all part of the styling package. So these are 20-inch alloys, flow formed as well, these. So very strong alloy wheels, really well made, in gloss black, fully load rated, of course, with the load rated tyres. I say a closer look here of that nice little subtle side skirt, which is there, and that ties in very well with the rear diffuser and also the front splitter. But opening up the side loading door then, this just gives you another aspect of the load space from this side, and you can see how clean and tidy that is. You'll notice on the handles these little dimples here. That tells us that you have got keyless entry and keyless start on this van as well. Makes it feel very, very modern indeed when you're using it day to day. Looking at the inside of the passenger door card, the step, the floor in here, it's pretty much faultless. Sorry for the sun there, but it's looking absolutely lovely. The condition of these seats is spot on. Of course, you can flip these forward if you want to, and it gives you access to some extra, the sun is very bright today, you can see, yeah, some access to some extra storage under there, and you can just see how clean and tidy that is, even under the seats. We always put an extra wheel brace in like that when we fit aftermarket alloy wheels, as the wheel bolts are going to be a different size from the factory, so we make sure there's a proper wheel brace in there for you, so you're not going to be stuck. And a nice little fold down tray there in the center. Lower and upper glove box on these vans, so plenty of storage there inside the cab as well. There is also, previous owner has added a little wind deflector there onto the front windows, but I mean the condition is just absolutely spot on. There's not even, there's not even touch-ins to show you here. It is just looking absolutely lovely there down the side of the van. Round to the front then, New Shape Limited like this does come with these much better forward LED headlights, which are a big step up, and you've got this nice LED daytime running light as well. And then we've made some nice changes here to the front. So we've got this nice gloss black honeycomb front grille, which I think looks absolutely spot on. And then you've also got then these gloss black canards around the front air intake, and then underneath then the lower splitter, which I mentioned a bit earlier on in the video. But having a look here at the condition of the bonnet, of course you're going to get the odd tiny little stone chip like that, but that is really picking hairs. There's not much to fault on this. It is in very, very nice condition indeed. So manufacturer's warranty, of course, on this van. So being that it was registered in December 2023, you've got manufacturer's warranty for 3 years from that point, so until December 2026, so plenty of time left on that. Having a look here then down the driver's side, and we're right in the direct sunlight here, which is actually lovely because you can see how nice the metallic fleck is of the paintwork. It's very, very nice indeed. But again, looking absolutely spot on there. Very, very smart. And if we open up the driver's door then, we can have a look at some of the spec in here. Really impressive spec inside the cab on a Limited. So having a look at the driver's door card, the floor, the driver's seat, it's all in lovely condition in here. You've got height adjustment of the driver's seat, and lots of spec in here. So you've got electric windows, electric folding mirrors. The vehicle is supplied with 2 full keys, and as I say, these are a keyless key. There is actually a key in there if you were stuck, but as I say, keyless entry, keyless start on those, which as I say feels very modern when you're using it day to day. Auto activated lights, auto activated wipers. You've got this lovely digital dashboard display in front of you here. You can see the mileage there in the bottom left hand corner if the camera will focus on that. 13,379 miles. It's all idling correctly, no warning lights or anything like that on the dashboard. Lovely light steering on these new Customs. Very nice to drive. If you haven't driven one of these already, I would urge you to give one a go. It is a big step forward, I think. On the left hand side then, you've got your cruise control settings on the left hand side and your onboard computer controls there on the right hand side. And then into the centre, 6-speed manual gearbox to go along that 136 PS diesel engine. You've got a couple of USB points under here and a 12-volt socket just there as well. And then into the center, you've got this lovely big 11-inch display here in the center, which gives you things like wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and of course you can connect your phone to this via Bluetooth. And you've got all these controls here along the bottom, so you can control your heated seats here, you can control the temperature in the cab, you've got your heated windscreen, heated door mirrors, air conditioning controls. All of that is there on the screen for you. Electric handbrake. And you've got your start button just up here as well. So as I say, big step forward, not of course forgetting the nice little hidden cup holder just there as well. During our preparation, we have put this van right through our van specialist workshop, which is Bridgend Van Care. They've conducted, of course, a thorough health check of the vehicle to make sure it's absolutely spot on, but crucially they've also done a service on the van as well. So full service has been done on this, just keeping everything absolutely in line with its manufacturer's warranty, of course. And of course giving you that peace of mind that moving forward you're not going to have to worry about any servicing for some time to come. We can arrange finance at very competitive rates, whether it be for limited companies or for private individuals, and that is obviously subject to status and acceptance. We can deliver our vans nationwide. We can also take cars or vans in part exchange as well. So if you haven't seen it already, I'd urge you to head over to our website there, bridgendvans.co.uk. That's where you'll find the price, the description and the photography of this van, and of course all of the other vans that are currently in stock with us and ready to go. Thank you very much for watching.